Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's lesson is a bit different. We will learn English using real conversations from daily life. This is the first lesson in our new series, and the theme of this lesson is fashion trends. You will hear a conversation between Maya and Ria, where they talk about the latest styles in fashion. Now, please pay attention to the highlighted words in their dialogue. Even if you don't understand all of them, don't worry. I will explain everything in our next part called Vocabulary Review. Ready to begin? Just remember to focus on those highlighted words.
Hey, Ria, did you see Priyanka's new look on Instagram? It's so eclectic. A little bit of everything, but it totally works.
Yes, she's always been so fashion forward, way ahead of the trends.
I don't know how she manages to pull off those bold prints. I'd look like a curtain.
True, but did you see her boots? That's some serious drip right there.
And that red sari she wore last week. She slayed it, no doubt.
I think she's getting into more avant-garde styles now. Very experimental, but kind of cool.
Yeah, I agree. So, what's up for the weekend?
So, did you like the conversation? Isn't it a great way to practice English and learn new words in context? Let me know in the comments. It was interesting to hear how Maya and Ria used some cool words and phrases to talk about new fashion trends. Now, let's look at the highlighted words from the dialogue. I'll explain what they mean and give you more easy examples so you can feel confident using them in your own conversations. The first word is eclectic. Before I explain, let's listen how it was used in the dialogue.
Hey, Ria, did you see Priyanka's new look on Instagram? It's so eclectic. A little bit of everything, but it totally works.
Eclectic. The pronunciation is eclectic. Eclectic. It's a 3-syllable word. Now, eclectic in fashion means choosing and mixing different styles, ideas, and items from various sources to create your own unique look. An eclectic person doesn't stick to one rule. They might possibly wear a vintage jacket from the 70s with modern jeans, or wear formal dress with sporty sneakers. Now that's being eclectic. It's all about being creative and showing your personality by putting together pieces that you love, even if they are from different times or different styles. It's about saying, this is my style and I choose what I like. Come on, let's take a look at some examples. His house is filled with eclectic furniture from antique chairs to modern sofas. This YouTube channel is an eclectic collection of grammar, vocabulary, and conversation practice. Don't you think so? Let me know in the comments. I love her eclectic playlist. It has everything from old Bollywood to Korean pop. He has an eclectic group of friends, artists, engineers, chefs, and dancers. Did you notice? Eclectic can be used in so many different ways, not just for fashion. Alright, the next highlighted word in the dialogue was fashion forward. First, let's listen to how it was used in the dialogue.
Yes, she's always been so fashion forward, way ahead of the trends.
Now, fashion forward is used to describe someone who is ahead of the trend. They are bold with their style choices and are not afraid to experiment with new looks, before they become mainstream, just like Ranveer Singh. Think of someone who wears clothes that most people are too scared even to try, but everyone will possibly start wearing them next year. So, in short, fashion forward means stylish, trendsetter, plus bold. Take a look at these examples. She is known for her fashion forward looks on the red carpet. That fashion forward influencer mixed streetwear with traditional elements and it totally worked. Zara is for the fashion forward crowd, the ones who want to stand out, not blend in. My sister is so fashion forward that people often ask her if she's a stylist. So that was fashion forward. Now, moving on, Maya used an interesting phrase, pull off. Now, before I explain, come on, let's listen it once again.
I don't know how she manages to pull off those bold prints. I'd look like a curtain.
True.
Pull off is a phrasal verb. Pull off means to successfully wear or carry a bold or difficult fashion item with confidence and style. It's used when someone wears something unusual but still looks amazing in it. To pull off a look, this is a very common phrase and it means to wear something confidently that not everyone can carry well. Take a look at these examples. She pulled off that neon green dress effortlessly. Not everyone can do that. Only she can pull off a sari with sneakers and still look fabulous. So these were examples related to fashion. Now let's look at examples in different contexts. I can't believe we pulled off that surprise party without her finding out. This means we managed to do it perfectly. He pulled off the presentation even though he hadn't slept all night. So in relation to fashion, it means to wear something tricky, bold, with style. And in general, it means to successfully complete a difficult task. Alright, next up is a slang word, drip. Let's listen in how Ria used it in the conversation.
True. But did you see her boots? That's some serious drip right there.
Now, drip means someone's outfit or style is extremely stylish, impressive, or flashy. Now, if someone says, you've got drip, what are they trying to say is, your style is on point, fashionable, and attention grabbing. So, in short, drip means style plus swag plus confidence plus expensive looking fashion. Take a look at these examples. Look at his drip. Every piece is branded from head to toe. That jacket is full drip. Where did you get it? She walked in with some serious drip. Everyone turned to look. I need to upgrade my wardrobe. I want that clean drip. Isn't it a cool slang word? Try making a sentence so you can use it comfortably in your conversations. And we move on to the next highlighted word from the conversation, slay. But as usual, first let's listen in.
And that red sari she wore last week. She slayed it, no doubt.
Now, slay is also a slang word and it means to look amazing, confident, and stylish. Like, you're owning the moment. When someone slays a look, it means they are rocking it perfectly with full confidence and flair. In short, slay means to look stunning, act confident, and make an impact. It's often used as a compliment for appearance, confidence, or presentation. Let's look at some examples. You totally slayed in that sari at the wedding. All eyes were on you. You slayed your presentation today. The boss was impressed. The model slayed every outfit during the fashion show. She slayed her role in the movie. Such a powerful performance. So, in general, it means to perform with excellence and confidence. And in fashion sense, it means to dress stylishly. With that, we move to the last smart word from the conversation, avant-garde. Quite an interesting word, isn't it? First, let's listen one more time.
I think she's getting into more avant-garde styles now. Very experimental, but kind of cool.
Now, avant-garde is a French word that means ahead of its time. Now, in fashion, it refers to highly creative, experimental, and unconventional style that breaks rules and challenges traditional ideas of beauty or design. In short, it means bold, artistic, unusual, and innovative. It's not what people wear daily. It's what you see in high fashion shows or artistic photo shoots. For example, dresses made of paper, clothing that looks like a sculpture. That's avant-garde. Take a look at these examples. The designer is known for her avant-garde creations that blend fashion and art. He wore an avant-garde jacket with giant shoulder spikes, totally eye-catching. Their startup has an avant-garde approach to technology and design. I enjoy watching avant-garde dance performances, even if I fully don't understand them. So, in short, it means to be creative in an unusual way. It's used when you see something bold and different. Alright, we looked at 6 amazing words. Now that you know what they mean, watch the dialogue one more time. But this time, try to focus on the context as you already know what these words mean. Here you go.
Hey, Ria, did you see Priyanka's new look on Instagram? It's so eclectic. A little bit of everything, but it totally works.
Yes, she's always been so fashion forward, way ahead of the trends.
I don't know how she manages to pull off those bold prints. I'd look like a curtain.
True, but did you see her boots? That's some serious drip right there.
And that red sari she wore last week. She slayed it, no doubt.
I think she's getting into more avant-garde styles now. Very experimental, but kind of cool.
Yeah, I agree. So, what's up for the weekend?
So that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed today's lesson. And if you want more such lessons, let me know in the comments. Isn't it a great way to practice English through dialogues and learn new English words rather than just learning isolated single words? Let me know what you think. I will see you soon with one more interesting lesson. Until then, as usual, keep learning and keep practicing English. Bye for now.